Hello, my name is Kamala Rani. I am going to make a video. Use spreadsheet software. This is a blank workbook. I am going to open now and I'm going to type some num tags here. Now I am going to put some number here. 55. Okay, now I am going to put change the color here. I'm going to brown. Orange. Now add border. Select now and border is all border. Again add the number using formula. This is the formula and this auto sum, and then I put divide this number 370. I'm going to put number 10. And select this number, and then I'm going to make average this one. I'm going to average this arrow and put average again. And put equal and select this number and then put slash select number 10 divide by 10 and then enter. $37. Number crab and select the number. This one selected all of them and I make it crab. Insert, okay, crab on this like this. I'm going to save now. File, save as about my name. Save until save, replace, and I'm going to make again open VLE. Open VLE Now I am going to CTF002, open this one, and assignment submission here, open now, and this is going to submission, this is going to submission here, and upload the file here. Now I'm going to close now this one, and I'm going to close this one. Thank you. Bye.